Hey guys, so today I received a Tribe Beauty Mystery Skin Care box. It says it has 6 products, typically $50, but I found a discount code, so it was $44 out the door. So I'm excited. I'm going to open this and see what's inside. All right, so pulling out the first item, looks like a makeup bag with an octopus on it, made by Tokyo Milk, and has a zipper, but unfortunately I can't get that zipper open. So on to the next. This is Masquerade Hydrating Facial Sheet Mask, All-Nighter Awaken, Replenish, Refresh. And it says that the cooling effects of the mask will depuff and awaken your eyes, while natural peppermint oil awakens your senses, aloe argan oil, heart leaf, a powerful detoxifier, honey, superfruit, and cactus extracts work together to raise the signs of previous night and get you boardroom ready. And it's your typical sheet mask that stays on for 10 to 20 minutes. Okay, so the next is another Masquerade product called Matcha Detoxifying Clay Mask. You use it 2 to 3 times a week for normal to oily skin, and this one has 3 uses, so yeah, it's disappointing that these aren't full-size products. The directions are to cleanse the skin, dry thoroughly, apply evenly, leave on for 5 to 10 minutes, and then you can massage it in for an extra boost before you rinse off, and it stays on for 5 to 10 minutes. The next is made by Kane and Austin. It's a miracle pad, results comparable to 30% glycolic. Our most intensive facial treatment to reduce fine lines, wrinkles, enlarged pores, and the appearance of age spots. And here we go, 5 peels. Darn it. Sounds like a nice product, though. This maximum strength at-home facial treatment is clinically proven to even skin tone, build collagen, and visibly reduce the appearance. I can't see what it says. Fine lines and wrinkles. The most intensive version of the peel. It delivers the result of a 30% glycolic acid treatment to restore luminosity and vitality for the most radiant, healthy-looking skin. Non-irritating, ideal for all skin types. This can be used morning and evening, and you just swipe the pad over the clean face, avoiding the eye area. For sensitive skin, you can use it once daily at first. All right, so it looks like the next is Oils of the World. It's a green tea oil for body, hair, tanning, and a dewy glow, 2 fluid ounces. And this says it promotes smooth, antioxidant-induced supple and skin with our tea seed oil. The ingredients are green tea oil, natural vitamin E, rosemary extract, and you use 1 to 2 drops, gently massage onto the face, hair, or skin, depending on skin type. All right, so the next is a Roots Skincare Eye Conquered Antioxidant Eye Cream. You apply a ladylike fashion with the ring finger under or around the eye area to kiss pucker line goodbye and apply around the lip line as well. Here's the massive ingredient list. And then it just says that I'll leave the crow's feet to the birds. And this is the actual container out of the box. It actually also says it's natural, organic, paraben, and cruelty-free. This is a 0.5 fluid ounce, so, for an eye cream, that is a full size. So, yay! Okay, so pulling out the next one is Rose Quench Serum for all skin types, made with rose water. This one has, lots of good ingredients. Rose water, aloe leaf, vitamin E, sunflower oil, vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, coenzyme 10, some B vitamins, vitamin A, sugarcane extract, cranberry fruit extract, just castor oil, just a bunch. So yeah, this one sounds really, really nice. Looks like you spray it right onto your face, and I'm excited to try this one. Okay, so the next one is in this large box. And this is Roots Bath Buddies Aromatic and Therapeutic Bath Salts. So it's relaxing lavender bath, restorative vitamin bath, softening bath, muscle relief, detoxifying bath. 100% natural, 200% feel good, Reiki infused, rooted in goodness. And it says dissolve under water, soak, and it's time to relax. All right, so this one is pretty nice. Okay, so there's 7 items, so the 2 masks in the back must be considered one because that would be 6 items and a bag. So this Rose Quench Serum squirts out as a lotion and has all those amazing ingredients in it. Smells like rose, so I have applied it to my face and my neck, and it just feels and smells amazing. And this green tea oil, the same. It feels amazing. I would like to have it in a really large container to just put it all over my body. I took a hot bath and then rubbed this on, and oh my goodness, this feels amazing. These glycolic peel pads sound really nice as well. I don't travel, so I'm just disappointed that this is not a full-size product. And the same with these clay masks. I mean, it would be nice to take with, but I don't travel, so I'm just really disappointed that it's not a full-size product. And these bath salts, oh my goodness, they smell so nice. I first smelled it and I thought that's lavender I'm smelling, and then I smelled it again and it's like milk and honey. It says that it's a relaxing lavender, restorative vitamin bath with land of milk and honey for softening, and then there's also a release for muscle relief bath, and then it says peace out detoxifying bath. I'm getting this right off the bottle. I don't see any other information as to what's in there, but this is really, really nice. This is definitely going to give me a good night's sleep. Just from smelling the bottle, I feel like I'm relaxing and I'm going to get a good night's sleep. So yeah, that's definitely a good one. That's probably my favorite out of the whole bottle. I mean, out of the box. So what do you guys think? This is the Tribe Beauty Skincare Mystery Box. It retails for $50 and I did pay $44. I'm going to say that even paying $44, I'm just a little bit disappointed. Not that I don't like the products, but I would just wish that hope that they would be full-size products. That rose spray for the face, if that was full-size, amazing. It would be amazing. If the glycolic peel was full-size, that would be amazing. But actually, the ones that are full-size are the just the 3. That's my guess by looking at the sizes of the bottles. I mean, the face lotion is it's not very big. And we know the others are not. They're just trial size. So that's my disappointment. But the actual products and the quality of the products, I'm very happy with. I'm not going to open the eye cream because I have too many, and it may just end up going into a giveaway. So anyway, what do you guys think? Do you think this is a fabulous box? Do you think it's a lousy box? So-so. Let me know in your comments below, and I will see you in my next video.